In this video, I'm about to show you how to transfer P-coin to wallet. So this is sometimes oftenly confused because a lot of people are just simply trying to transfer their P-coin to wallet using the P network application only. But the reality is, if you click onto the top Pi-coin amount, you can see we have this wallet option. Simply click on view wallet and it is going to be prompting you to install P browser. Once you do, you can see this is our particular P coin. Now what we need to do here is we need to paste in here our 24 phrase password, or you can unlock it with your face ID, which I'm going to be doing really quickly. And to transfer your amount to your wallet, you're going to be copying your address and send it to this. So that's how we can easily transfer P coin to your wallet. So that is the only way. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more. See you in the next video.